to another video. So today we are going to the beach, as you can see in the title. We are on the highway right now. We stopped and we got some coffee and some breakfast, and we are going to be on our way. We'll get there around 1:30, so we'll see you guys when we get there. We went into the bathroom and now we're gonna go find a spot on the beach to put our stuff out. Just for my major nutrition. Jessica found a friend, so we're waiting for her. So I will let you guys know when we found a spot. Hey guys, so we found a spot on the beach. I'm gonna try to show you. There you go. I can't see myself at all because my phone reflects like a mirror. So we're here, we're gonna tan for a little bit and then walk around. So I will keep you guys updated. Hey guys, so we just got finished tanning and we dropped our stuff off at the car. Now we are coming back and we're just gonna chill some more and walk around a little bit, and then after that we're gonna go back to where Sierra lives and we're gonna go swim in the pool because we are hot. So yeah, that is the plan, and yeah, that's the plan. So we'll see you in a bit.
This is Kim's channel. I don't know what to say to that.
Yeah, we gotta get in the plane.
No, I put my arm around Jessica. Oh. Is it recording?
Yes.
Oh.
We out here, Clearwater Beach, slide through. Even though this video will be up and we'll be gone, that's okay. Still come through. I can barely hear you because of the wind. I love Kim. Aww. You should watch her videos. Give them a like.
And subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Aw, you guys are cute. Hey guys, so we are at Sierra's pool now. We're just gonna go to the hot tub for a little bit and then we're gonna head home after that. Yeah, so we're gonna go hot tub it up. Hey guys, so we finished up at the hot tub. I didn't really film because there was a lot of people at the pool and in the hot tub, and that would have been just kind of awkward to just film us in the pool. So yeah, didn't really feel like doing that. So we're finished up and we are just heading home now. So I hope you guys liked this vlog and I hope it was a little bit interesting, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Oh, were we not waving? I thought you were gonna.
I thought you were gonna do the same thing again.
No.
Do your thing.
Okay. So we'll see you in the next. So we'll see you in the next vlog. Bye. You got, when I say we'll see you,
I meant for you to do your thing.
I thought you wanted to wave.
Do your thing. The thing
Bye.